We'll guide you through how to draw in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to learn simple drawing techniques in Canva without needing advanced artistic skills. It helps beginners create fun and expressive designs like emoticons easily. This tutorial is useful for students, content creators, or anyone who wants quick. To begin this tutorial, open a browser. For example, here I use Google Chrome. To open it, double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop until the browser window appears on your screen. Next, click the search bar, type canva.com, and press enter to access the Canva website. After that, choose presentation for a wider canvas so it is easier to draw and provides more space for your design. Then click the Tools menu to access the available drawing features in Canva. As an example, I will draw a smiling emoticon face to demonstrate the process clearly and simply. To make it easier, here I use a shape for the circle as the base of the face. Next, click the draw icon to begin creating your illustration. Several options for drawing tools will be displayed here, allowing you to select different tools and styles. Then choose Pen and move the cursor to the canvas to start drawing. First, draw a simple smiling emoticon as the outline of the face shape. Then draw the eyes as well to complete the basic expression of the emoticon. Click Select, and the drawing will automatically become an object that you can adjust, move, or resize as needed. Simply duplicate the eye to complete the other side, so both eyes look symmetrical and balanced. Click Draw again, then use Marker, and set the color to red to add more detail. Then adjust the weight to 4 so the line becomes thicker and more visible on the canvas. Try coloring the mouth red to make it stand out more clearly. Then adjust each layer of the mouth carefully to make it neater and more aligned with the face. After that, change the circle color to yellow so it resembles a classic emoticon style. See the result. Drawing in Canva is successful and your simple emoticon design is now complete.